Hi there, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Suri and I try to make makeup easy for you. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to achieve wing liner look in very easy peasy way. I have used a liquid liner and a sketch liner to make it fair for all of the girls that are there or all of the girls that are watching, and I have used the liquid liner on my right eye and the sketch eyeliner on my left eye. So as you can see, I think that I've done a good job, and if you think so too, then please keep on watching. Bye. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel because I love you. Hi you guys, so I have come back and I have completed my foundation routine, as well as I've applied a little blush and I've done my eyebrows. I'm sorry if my eyebrows are looking a little bit shabby. I haven't been to my eyebrow didi for so long. It's been months and I was trying to do it on my own using the V trimmer, but it went really horrible last night and I chopped off a little bit of my right eyebrow here. Right now it has grown, but yeah, that happened. So that's why I'm not touching my eyebrows again. I tried my best to make my eyebrows look a little bit better, but here it is. So let's just accept it and go on. So yeah, so let's get to the video. I will be coming very close to the camera so that you people can see that what I am doing, how I am lining my eyelids, because one thing is that I have hooded eyelids, and hooded eyelids means that the skin here is a little bit loose, wherein you cannot see much of my eye, like the crease portion of my eye you cannot see because there's a hood portion here. So since I have hooded eyelids, so I always go for very thin liners, and I have been told that many of you guys also want me to teach you how to get a thin liner, and believe it or not, both of my liners are from Maybelline. The liquid liner that I own is Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. The whole print of this has gone because I have used this so much, and it is drying up. So yeah, I will be using for this tutorial, and I think it will be good to go. And for sketch liners, I'm going to use Maybelline New York Colossal Liner. This is a sketch liner and I've heard great things about this as well. And there are a lot of options, but these two are very cheap. This during sale you can get it at 100 or something. Both of these liners have costed me 170 or something, I don't remember. So always look out for sale. You can always check out Myntra because they have always good number of sale options going on beauty products, so you can check that out as well. So yeah, I'm going to teach you first how to ace the thin liner with a liquid liner, and I will be using this liner on my right eye. And I'm going to come very close to the camera, so please bear with me for a while. I'm not using a mirror. I will be just looking at my viewfinder and teach you guys how to achieve the liner look. So I'm very close to the camera right now, and it's funny a little bit, but it's okay. And I'm going to teach you the liquid liner part. So first I'm going to make a wing here. Like this. I'm okay with the length of the wing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to start from my inner corner, but I'm going to start from the middle of my eye. This will help you get a very thin liner effect, because when you start from here you don't know where you're taking the brush and where is the wing. However, when you start from the middle of your eye, like the center portion of your eyelid, then you know that okay, here's the wing, I can join it, and then you can see the middle portion and then join it from your inner corner to the middle part of your eye. This is the hack which I always use, and you can use it too. So now I'm going to first line a very thin line from the center of my eye to the end. like I started from here, joined it to my wing. And always, another hack, always start by making a small wing at first, because if you go, do a little bit of oopsies, then you can just elongate the wing a little bit more so that it looks good. Now when my wing here is done, I'm going to touch up a little bit later, since this is drying up, so it's a little bit difficult. So now I'm going to join the middle portion of my eye to the inner corner. Easy peasy. I am loving it, and it was a little bit difficult because the liner was drying, so please bear with me. But yeah, I am totally loving this eyeliner. Like, I love wing. Like, without wing, it's like adhura for me. It's like, I cannot do without a wing liner. It's kind of like that. So yeah, this is how you can do a wing liner, achieve a wing liner using a liquid liner. So now for sketch liners. I have to use a mirror for this, so I'll be looking down. So please bear with me. Now I am going to start again by drawing a wing here. Job at matching both of my wings. This one is a little bit longer, but yeah, this is my first time doing a sketch liner, so again I'm doing the same thing. I'm joining now the inner corner to the center of my eye. Okay, so we are done with the liner, and I think I did a good job. What do you think? The sketch liner wing is a little bit longer, I must say, if I be honest with you, but then it's okay. Sometimes it happens, you guys. It's okay. You don't have to beat yourself up that you cannot match your wings. It's okay. It looks okay. I just wanted to let you know it's okay. And this is how you do a very thin line using sketch liners and liquid liners. Hi you guys, I've come back, and this is my final look, and as a tradition of this YouTube channel, here's a close-up shot. This is my final look, you guys. I hope you loved this video, and thank you for staying with me all this while. And obviously thank you so much for all the love and support that you have provided me in my previous videos. And if you haven't yet watched all of my videos, then what are you doing? Go and watch my videos. And yeah, thank you so much. I hope you loved this video. Comments down below if you want a full tutorial on this whole look. I love this look. I haven't even used lipstick in this video. I mean, I am not using lipstick. I mean, who am I? And I so love this whole monochromatic look. Like, look at the glow here, you guys. Like, I haven't even used a highlighter. I've just used a concealer, a blush, and setting powder and setting spray, and that's it. And eyebrow, obviously you can see that I've used an eyebrow product, and that's it. If you want to if you want me to create a full tutorial on this look, then let me know in the comments down below. I absolutely love this look. And if you want a no makeup look, if you want to learn a makeup look without using foundation or concealer, Yeah, you heard me right. Without using foundation and concealer, then please follow me on my Instagram channel, and that is at itsjisuri. I will be pinning down the links to my Instagram channel in the comments down below, so please do check it out. I have created a look using no foundation and no concealer, and that is a mask edition, because obviously we are during the corona time, so without mask, I mean, you cannot go outside, and I would suggest you not to go outside without wearing a mask. So yeah, please check my Instagram handle and follow me if you like the content that I post every day or every week. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I come online on YouTube. And love you. Love you, love you, love you. Mama. Bye.